Welcome back to Dr. Liu's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, we'll break down the protein and vitamins questions from the 2024 NHT chemistry exam. My explanations might need refinement, so I welcome corrections or feedback from teachers, parents, or students. A scientific poster is typically divided into 4 sections. The introduction explains the background and chemical concepts. The results section displays the data that was collected. The discussion evaluates the experimental methods and data, comparing the findings with theoretical expectations. The conclusion summarizes the outcomes of the analyzed results and links them back to the poster's main aim. The hydrolysis of a peptide cleaves its peptide bonds, yielding individual amino acids. In this case, the dipeptide is hydrolyzed to produce glutamic acid and asparagine. Soybeans are a complete protein source, as they contain all the essential amino acids, compounds that the human body cannot synthesize on its own. Trypsin is an enzyme in the human body that breaks down proteins. Raw soybeans, however, contain a blocking protein that inhibits trypsin's function. Boiling soybeans alters the bonds and intermolecular forces within this blocking protein, causing it to lose its secondary and tertiary structure. This process, known as denaturation, renders the blocking protein inactive, allowing trypsin to effectively break down the soybean's proteins. Boiling soybeans in water significantly decreases their vitamin C content. This is because vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin, containing highly polar hydroxyl groups that form hydrogen bonds with water, causing it to dissolve. Furthermore, vitamin C is also sensitive to heat, which contributes to its degradation during the cooking process. This section covers the chemical properties and significance of proteins and vitamins. It is worth 8 marks, contributing 6.7% to the total of 120 marks. Multiple choice questions, 2 marks. Question 1. This question assesses understanding of the structure of scientific posters, focusing on the distinct roles of the introduction, results, discussion, and conclusion sections. Question 25. This question requires knowledge of dipeptides, specifically the identification of the amino acid residues in a given dipeptide. Short answer questions, 6 marks. Question 1a. This question asks for a definition of essential amino acids and an explanation of why soybeans are considered a complete protein source. Question 1b. This question focuses on the enzyme trypsin, its function in protein breakdown, and how boiling soybeans denatures a blocking protein, thereby enabling trypsin's activity. Question 1c. This question explores the effect of boiling soybeans on their vitamin C content, requiring an explanation of the molecular changes and properties that lead to its degradation and loss. Should you require assistance, please feel free to connect via WeChat or WhatsApp and send an email. Thank you for your attention. Kindly note the details of Dr. Liu's VCE Physics, Chemistry, and Biology channels.